Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that little bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Yo, what's up YouTube? So today I got a cool video. I'm going to be unboxing the LG 55BX. It's one of their TVs in the AI Thin Q series. It's an OLED TV, my first ever OLED, and I think it's going to be super cool. This unboxing isn't going to be anything fancy, but what I am going to make sure I do is I'm going to show every single thing inside the actual box to you. I'm going to lay it out so you guys can see everything that's included in this unboxing, and I hope you enjoy. For starters, let's actually get into the TV box. Got my trusty, not really trusty, it's actually pretty cheap box cutter that pretty much sucks. Well, I'm going to show you what's inside. Right there, just some papers and cables and just like manuals and things like that. We got the remote also. Everything was pretty, I guess, normally packaged. Nothing really fancy. Showing off the remote right now. It actually something cool. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it came with batteries, right? So round of applause, LG. Got the magic remote. Information, just like serial information and stuff like that. This right here is actually the vanity plate that comes on the back of the TV. Just showing you guys, take a look. We got the Life is Good, the Lost Little Boy. It's basically how to unbox the TV. This is the instructions manual, owner's manual. How to use the Google Assistant. Also comes with Amazon Alexa as well. Keep that in mind. This one's coming up next right there, so you can just check that out. You can pause the video if you want to read through it. Last but not least, we got the cable management thingamajig. Don't know what it's really called. This actually was kind of a pain, for good reason, because as you are about to see, this thing is super freaking thin. That's how thick it is with the actual covering on. It's probably the size of, I want to say like maybe like 3 paper clips, like laying on top of one another. It's like crazy thin, right? It was packaged well. It was easy to take out. One thing to keep in mind that I didn't really like show on screen is the TV. When you cut those 2 plastic cables wrapping around the TV from earlier in the video, that's it. When you pull the box, the TV's coming out with it. That's kind of holding everything together, so just keep that in mind. Didn't mention that earlier. Right, pretty standard stuff here. We're screwing in all the screws. Again, pretty basic, nothing fancy to see here. Applying the vanity cover, it's pretty much just a snap in place type of part. And you need that on if you're going to put the cable management piece on, which you'll see in this next clip here. And now we're getting to peeling some of the things. The big peel is later though. It's coming up. And obviously keep in mind, if you're going to wall mount your TV, now's the time to add those brackets. Me and my wife went and put the TV up. Here you can see me bending over from all the stress because it's so thin and I thought I was going to crack it every time I touched it. Oh boy. now here is the big reveal. It is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And that does it for the unboxing. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment below. Ask me anything. Use the comments as a way to ask me questions about anything about the TV that you want to know about. I'm planning on doing a review on the TV on different aspects, probably a gaming review, see how it games, doing just like some other testing just for like picture quality and just like how the TV menu works. Is it responsive, yada yada, voice assistant, all that stuff. Leave me some comments below if there's anything specifically you're interested in or just anything you want to know about the TV. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more tech and gaming stuff for my channel. Peace out. Have a good one.